Hey everyone, today we're going to create interactive pop-up windows in Power BI using bookmarks and visual grouping. This is perfect for showing details, instructions, or secondary visuals without cluttering your main report. First, create required bookmarks. You need two bookmarks, one for the pop-up's open state and one for the closed state. First, open the Bookmarks pane, go to the View tab and click Bookmarks to open the pane. Add two new bookmarks and name them descriptively like Pop-up Open and Pop-up Closed. Right-click for both bookmarks and ensure that Selected Visuals is enabled, but Data and Current Page are disabled. Next, design and group the pop-up visuals. The pop-up is built using layered shapes that are treated as a single unit. First, insert a rectangle and size it to cover the entire report canvas. Set its color to black with a transparency of about 50% to create a dimmed effect. Second, insert a second rectangle for the actual pop-up content and ensure it is topmost in the selection pane. Third, group the visuals, select both rectangles using Control-click, right-click and select Group in the selection pane. This group is now your complete pop-up object. Next, configure and assign bookmark states. We use the group's visibility to define the open and closed states of the bookmarks. First, set the open state with the pop-up group visible. Right-click the pop-up open bookmark and click Update. Second, in the selection pane, click the eye icon to hide the pop-up group, then right-click the pop-up closed bookmark and click Update. Third, add interaction buttons. Use a button to toggle between the two states, making the pop-up interactive. First, insert a button, go to Insert/Buttons/Navigator/Bookmark Navigator. Alternatively, insert a separate button for open and close. Second, assign action. If using individual buttons, set the action to bookmark and assign the corresponding bookmark. For example, assign the pop-up open bookmark to the open button. Third, test the button by clicking it to ensure proper toggling between the open, visible, and closed hidden states. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.